When an aspirant starts preparing for civil services examination, GS Foundation is the first course she joins. This course is supposed to be a complete package for preliminary examination, for GS paper 1 to GS paper 4 and for the essay paper of the mains examination. But even after spending almost 1 year in this course, most of the students who are capable enough are not able to clear the examination in the very first attempt. Why is this so? What are the key issues? The biggest issue is in the program itself. Most of these GS Foundation programs are not completing syllabus in a systematic manner. Focus is on subjects like history, geography, polity, economy, but equally important things like art and culture, like social issues, governance, international relations, environment, biodiversity and climate change, internal security, disaster management are mostly ignored. Then there's an issue of not practicing MCQs. Students start taking tests, start doing MCQs only after 8 or 9 months of preparation. They should start doing it within 1 week or 2 weeks. Similarly, when it comes to answer writing, most of the students, first year students who are preparing for this exam would write answers after clearing preliminary examination. And in that 2 to 3 months, they are not able to develop that skill. Further, most of these courses are dictatorial in nature, where teachers dictate and students take notes rather than having discussions. Then there's the issue of lack of current affairs linkage. In GS courses itself, the current affairs of the issue should be covered rather than students taking current affairs material at the end and doing it there. And finally, there's an issue of mentorship and guidance. In big batches, in big classrooms, if a student wants to interact with teacher after the class, it doesn't become feasible. So, they've spent 1 year and even after that, they are not prepared. How do we resolve it? We have designed our GS Foundation program keeping all these challenges in mind. First of all, we would ensure that each and every bullet point which is mentioned in the syllabus, each and every word which is mentioned in the syllabus would be thoroughly covered in our GS Foundation program. Then, we would also ensure that wherever needed, we would provide you printed material so that our classes would be interactive in nature rather than dictatorial in nature. Then, from the very first day, if the class is related to a subject which is relevant for preliminary examination, we will be solving MCQs in the class. Within 1.5 months of this program, we would also be writing a daily answer writing and mentorship program. This would ensure that you would start writing answer at least a year before your mains examination. You will not have only 3 months, but you will have complete 1 year to improve your answer writing practice. And finally, you must be knowing that Level Up IAS is already known for its current affairs program. We would ensure that each and every subject which is being taught to you, the current affairs related to it would be done along with it itself, so that at the end of the year, you will not have to go through the bulky things. Through all this, we want to ensure that this program really becomes a true complete package for your GS preparation. Adding to all these things, each and every student will get a guide, a mentor. One of the faculty members would be assigned as a guide or a mentor to one student. This would ensure that you will be able to get in touch, call them at least once every day, resolving any other doubt that may come. Our GS Foundation program is commencing on 26th April 2021 in both offline and online mode. Time is precious, don't waste it. Come and join Level Up IAS to level up your preparation.